as unique as a fingerprint. Whale sharks filter oxygen from the water. They are a special type of fish known as elasmobranchs, which translates into fish made of cartilaginous tissues. The clear gristly stuff that your ears and nose tip are made of. This category also includes rays, sawfish, and skates. Their cartilaginous skeletons are much lighter enamel, so they show up in the fossil record too. 2. Most sharks have good eyesight. Most sharks can see well in dark lighted areas, have fantastic night vision, and can see colors. The back of sharks' eyeballs have a reflective layer of tissue called a tapetum. This helps sharks see extremely well with little light. 3. Sharks have special... Hey, welcome guys, today we will see top 12 facts about shark. As you know, the shark is very dangerous for human body. I'm joking, it's harmful for all, and in the shark very facts that we don't know, let's explore these facts. Please subscribe the channel before we start. 1. Sharks do not have bones. Sharks use their gills. Skin feels similar to sandpaper. Shark skin feels exactly like sandpaper because porbeagle sharks also exhibit a blue coloration, but it is not nearly as brilliant as that of a blue shark. In life, most sharks are brown, olive, or grayish. 9. Each whale shark is made up of tiny teeth-like structures called placoid scales, also known as dermal denticles. These scales point towards the tail and help reduce friction from surrounding water when the shark swims. 5. Sharks can go into a trance. When you flip a shark upside down, they go into a trance-like state called tonic immobility. This is the reason why you often see sawfish flipped over when our scientists are working on them in the water. 6. Sharks have been around a very long time. Based on fossil scales found in Australia and the United States, scientists hypothesize sharks first appeared in the ocean around 455 million years ago. 7. Scientists age sharks by counting the rings on their vertebrae. Vertebrae contain concentric pairs of opaque and translucent bands. Band pairs are counted like rings on a tree, and then scientists assign an age to the shark based on the count. Thus, if the vertebrae has 10 band pairs, it is assumed to be 10 years old. Recent studies, however, have shown that this assumption is not always correct. Researchers must therefore study each species and size class to determine how often the band pairs are deposited, because the deposition rate may change over time. Determining the actual rate that the bands are deposited is called validation. 8. Blue sharks are really blue. The blue shark displays a brilliant blue color on the upper portion of its body and is normally snowy white beneath. The maka, largest fish, growing as long as 32 feet and weighing more than 5 tons. 10. Some species of sharks have a spiracle that allows them to pull water into their respiratory system while